Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Home devices using Google Home app step by step clearly. Open the Google Home app on your mobile device. Make sure your Google Home device is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. Look for the plus icon in the top left corner of the app interface. Tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Set Up Device from the drop-down menu. Choose New Devices to set up your Google Home device. The app will start scanning for available devices. After a moment, your Google Home device should appear on the screen. Tap on the name of your device to proceed with the setup. Follow any on-screen prompts to connect your device. If prompted, confirm that you hear the sound from your Google Home. This sound indicates that your device is ready to be set up. Next, connect your Google Home to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. Once connected, your Google Home device will finalize the setup. You may also be asked to link your Google account if you haven't done so already. Follow the instructions to link your account and access additional features. Complete any additional setup steps as directed in the app. Once the setup is finished, your Google Home device will be ready for use. You can now start using voice commands to control your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.